Vegetarian food is amazing. Only thing is you need to put a little more attention and little love to make it very, very tasty. And today I'm going to show you how to make this dry kind of vegetable preparations. Usually we pan fry. The second recipe what I'm going to do, you're going to learn a technique of cooking the cluster beans and potatoes, and very, very tasty. But first I'm going to show you how to make beetroot and spinach kind of fry. Hello. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef. And first recipe, we're going to do beetroot and spinach fry. Cut the beetroot into nice small pieces and add it to hot water. In this, we're going to add just small piece of butter that will enhance the taste of the beetroot. In this, add a little bit of salt. We're going to let this cook till the water is all finished and the beetroot is kind of a little bit soft. While the beetroot is boiling on the another stove, here is the spinach. So cut them into smaller pieces and we're going to do a tempering. We're going to add oil. If you want, you can also add mustard oil. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds dance in the oil. Add some red chilli. This will give a nice hot, aroma to the spinach. Add some jeera and in this add chana dal. Cook this on a slow flame till you get a slight color on the chana dal. In this, we're going to add garlic. Let this garlic also slightly saute in this. I have taken a white pan so that I can cook everything easily. In this, add some chopped onion and salt. Be careful with the salt because spinach naturally has some salt. In this, we're going to add turmeric. The onions are slightly sweat. In this, we're going to add the spinach. Let the spinach mix in this open wide pan, and in no time this will be cooked till this is slightly dried out. In this, add a little bit of nutmeg powder. This will give a very nice aroma. You can either add chili powder or pepper powder. With spinach, maybe sometimes I prefer the pepper powder. Now you can see the spinach is nicely frying, and you should see what I did with the beetroot. I cooked the beetroot in such a way, whatever water I added is all gone. So the beetroot is also cooked. At the same time, there is no moisture. And now we are going to let these both, some of the color will bleach out, but still you will have a very nice spinach and beetroot fry, which is very tasty. Spread like this and let it fry for another 2 minutes, then mix it thoroughly and serve. You can add a little bit of grated coconut to this and you can serve this. Look at this, nice white plate. If you serve this is excellent. And you can enjoy this with roti, chapati and everything. Some more of freshly grated coconut on top will make this look very, very nice. Look at these beautiful roses. And along with the beetroot, we have the real magic in the curry. These kind of awesome vegetable preparations with the roti or anything, will just be very tasty. Look at the way they are dry, nice and super tasty. The crunchy chana dal and the spinach, the beetroot, everything. Right from my childhood, whenever I eat beetroot, I always put my tongue out and show myself how red it is. This one is cooked nice, still it will be slightly reddish. So dear friends, this one, excellent for with your chapatis, even with the rice, and especially for lunch box, they will be too good. When you take these bites, they are just awesome. And the next one is with the cluster beans and with the potato. And I'm telling you, this is again very, very tasty. Welcome to quick, easy and delicious recipes. And today, I have picked up cluster beans. These beans are super delicious, and also for a lot of people who have constipation problem and some stomach upset, they need to eat fiber. A lot of people prefer to go and buy that fiber in bottles and mix with water and drink. Why? This cluster beans is excellent and also very healthy. In fact, these cluster beans can be used to cook delicious recipes with mutton and so many other dishes. But today we're going to make this with potatoes. So first we're going to take some oil in a pan, extra oil. Do the tempering with mustard seeds, cumin seeds and red chillies. Once you get the nice flavor from this, you add the small cut cluster beans in there, reduce the temperature and cook it on a slow flame. Then we're going to remove that excess oil and then we're going to add the crushed garlic. Add pinch of turmeric and add some salt and add some onions. These onions need to sweat a little bit. In this, we're going to add the green chilies and potato pieces. Let it cook for some more time. When the potatoes are 50% done, we're going to add the tomatoes. And these tomatoes also will cook nicely. Here I'm going to add some coriander powder, pepper powder, take poppy seed and coconut, make it into a fine powder, and we're going to add it in this. Slowly cook this till you get the nice flavor. Finish it off by adding some chopped coriander and you have a very delicious recipe. This is best eaten with the chapatis, pulkas or even with rice, and I'm telling you, this is super great delicious recipe. You can see this garlic, the green chili, even the cluster beans are nice and shiny and the potatoes perfectly cooked. Ah, what an aroma. Perfectly good. You don't have to cook for a long time and all that. The way we cook the cluster beans, very, very tasty. That little tomatoes what we added along with this garlic and everything, this is just too good. Dear friends, make it, and I'm telling you, whoever you feed it, they will say, whatever, because this is so good.